In today's fast-paced digital landscape, staying ahead of the competition is crucial. As businesses continue to evolve, marketing automation tools evolve too. Marketing automation tools offer an array of features to help you streamline your marketing efforts. By leveraging these tools, marketers can automate repetitive tasks and optimize email campaigns. But staying up to date with the latest trends in marketing automation is essential to stay ahead of the competition. In 2023, marketers should be aware of the use of artificial intelligence and multi-channel messaging. These trends can help sales teams better target and engage with potential customers, improving overall marketing performance. So, let's take a look at some of the top marketing automation tools businesses can benefit from this year. Small businesses can benefit from affordable and user-friendly marketing tools such as HubSpot and SharpSpring. Mid-size businesses can benefit from those tools as well as more advanced options, such as Marketo and Salesforce Pardot. Enterprise-level businesses have access to more advanced options such as Adobe Campaign and IBM Watson Campaign. Did you know emerging trends and technologies are beginning to shape the future of marketing automation? In 2023, we can expect to see trends of increased use of behavior analytics and the incorporation of artificial intelligence. AI can provide marketers with deeper insights into their customers, enabling them to create more tailored experiences. Keep an eye on emerging trends and technologies in marketing automation to stay ahead of the competition. Are you interested in marketing automation tools and keen to find out more? Head over to Pictory blog to read the full article.